Hello children, how are you? Now second class mathematics. In previous class 2 I am explaining subtraction only. Subtraction part 1 I am explaining only. You all members practicing this? Good. What is the subtraction spelling, say children? subtraction, subtraction. Good. Now page number 66. Take out your textbook and take pencil. Subtract the numbers using the bundles of sticks and loose sticks. So, subtracting the numbers using the bundles of sticks. So, loose sticks. So, take some sticks and how much will subtract it? That sticks will lose it. Okay. Now, what is this number? 48 minus 26. Now, I am taking chalk pieces. I am doing with chalk pieces too. So, children, see here. You are taking sticks to do subtraction. Okay. See here. This number 2. Here which number having 8? How many having? How much having? 8. So, we'll take 8 chalk pieces. See how many chalk pieces having here? How many? 8 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chalk pieces having. So now, how much lose it here? You take stick. I am taking chalk pieces only. You take stick. So how much lose it? 6. So remove 6. 1, 2. See children, total how many chalk pieces is there? 8 chalk pieces. So now, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will losing only. Remaining how many chalk pieces are there? 2. So let's now write here. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Here 4 minus 2. Now how many chalk pieces I want? You take sticks only. How many sticks you want? 4. So now you take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So now subtract 2. How many? 2. 2 will subtracted. Remaining how many? 1, 2. So let's now write here 2. 22. Understand children? Next now. Here which number is there? Second one, B1. 59. 5 ones, 9 tens. 59 minus 24. In ones place, which number is having upside? 9. 9. So I am taking 9 chalk pieces. See. Let's now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9 chalk pieces. So 9 minus 4. 4 chalk pieces will be removed. So now 4 chalk pieces I am keeping on the desk. See, 4 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chalk pieces are removed. So remaining how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. Next 5 having. See next one. 5 chalk pieces. Taking so much subtracted. 2 only. 2 will subtracting. So remove 2. Remaining how many? Let's now count it. How many having? 1, 2, 3. 3 is remaining. Understand, children? 3 is remaining. Next one. 68 minus 20. Up number 8. In ones place, up number 8. See here, total how many chalk pieces are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? How many having here? 8. So 8 minus 0. Not doing subtracting here. Anything not subtracting. So how many having? I am not taking any one also. So remaining how many? 8. 8. 6 minus 2. Next number 6 minus 2. So now I am taking 6 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chalk pieces I am taking. 2 chalk pieces will removing only. 2 chalk pieces removed. Remaining how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. We'll write here. 4. 68 minus 20 equals to 48. Understand? Here 99 minus 69. So here I want 9 chalk pieces. So 9 chalk pieces having. So how much will removed? How much will subtracted here? 9. So will all 9 only subtracting. So 9 only subtracted. So how much having? Anything is not there, 0. So now 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, 9 will take and 6 will subtract it. Okay. Remove it. 1, 2, 3. 3 chalk pieces will removed. Remaining how many? Remaining how many chalk pieces are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here also one having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will subtract it. Okay. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 3 is remaining. So let's now here write 9 minus 6, 3. Next 29 minus 5. 29 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So should we take 9 chalk pieces? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chalk pieces. So removed 5. 1 chalk piece removed. 2 chalk pieces removed. 3, 4, 5. So now 5 chalk pieces are removed here. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chalk pieces are removed. Remaining how many having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. 2 here not there means 0 only. 2 minus 0. So 2 chalk pieces having. Don't remove any number. So how much having? 2 only. 24. Understand, children? Let's now another problem. 69 minus 26. 69. So we'll take in ones place to which number is there? Upside 9. So again we'll take 9 chalk pieces. See here. 9 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much removed? How much removed? 1 chalk piece will removing I am. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many chalk pieces are removed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chalk pieces will removing only. So remaining how many having? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Here next which number is there? Next number 6. So now I am taking 6 chalk pieces. I am taking 6 chalk pieces. Here having 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how many removing? 2. 1, 2. 2 is removed. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now write 4. 43. Understand, children? Understand how to subtract? I am doing with chalk pieces too only. You take sticks and do, okay? Now next one. See, next question, see, children. So children, next number 74 minus 34. 74 minus 34. Here how much having upside? 4. Down 4. Ones place to 4 minus 4. So I am taking 4 chalk pieces and subtracted. How many will subtracting here? 4. So 1 subtracting I am. 2. 3, 4. So how many having? Nothing, only 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Next 7. 4. Now take 7 chalk pieces. 1, 2. Let's now find it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chalk pieces will take. So remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many having remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 remaining. 74 minus 34 equals to 40. Understand? Here 5 minus 0. So 5 chalk pieces will have, nothing will be taken. So how many having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So again 8. In tens place 2, which number is there? 8. Minus 3. 8 minus 3. See here, take 8 chalk pieces. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chalk pieces. So, how many will be subtracted here? 3. 3 is separated. So, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many having remaining? 5. 5. Next number 66 minus 23. 6. Ones place which number having? 6. So, how many? 6 will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. So, removed it. 3. How many removed? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Till here 2 removed. How many having remaining? 1, 2, 3. 3 remaining. Next 6 will take again. 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So 2 is separated. Remaining 4. So total 6 chalk pieces having 2 will separated, subtracted. So remaining 4 chalk pieces are there. I write here 4. Therefore 66 minus 23 equals to 43. Understand? Next 97 minus 41. 7. 1's place to 7. 1. See here. I am taking 7 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chalk pieces. And one is separated. I am keeping separating. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 remaining. So next I want next 9. I want 9 chalk. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chalk pieces having. So remove 4 chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chalk pieces will keeping separated. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 5 chalk pieces are there. So write here 5. 97 minus 41. equals to 56. So children, take sticks and solve this like only problems. Do subtraction, okay children?